Hi, this is Adam Hahn, your Explode My Business coach. I just got done with a Success University course online that I took, and there's a couple of just little gold nuggets I wanted to share with you from what I learned. And one of the metaphors that was used in this particular course was on like wealth creation and real estate and different things like that. And one of the metaphors that they used was that the instructor used was, sorry, getting distracted with my dog. One of the metaphors that the instructor used was, if you go think of something that you buy on a regular basis, or where you go to shop on a regular basis, and this person in the actual course said the grocery store, and one thing led to another when they were speaking, and he said, you know, what do you buy an orange for if that's a food that you usually buy? And he says, oh, maybe around $1 a piece. And he said, what if one week the oranges went down to 80 cents a piece? What would you do? And he said, oh, I'd probably stock up on them, or I'd buy more. You know, you get more for your money, that kind of thing. And he said, why wouldn't you go running around saying that the orange market is crashing, and that, you know, all hell's going to break loose, and that, you know, the economy's in a crisis because the price of oranges is going down 20%. And he kind of said it, you know, somewhat jokingly, but it made a very valid point that a lot of people right now are like, I don't want to invest in the stock market, I don't want to invest in real estate, and I'm not sure about investing in my own business at this point. I just want to, you know, stay it out. You know, the course has been plotted. I just want to stay the course, and I just want to make sure that everything that I am getting, I can secure. And when you start learning about wealth and abundance, you don't base any of your decisions on scarcity. You're not basing any of your decisions on what might happen, fear. You're not basing your decisions on the masses, so to speak. And a lot of the people that I've been working on online, I've gotten different messages from them. I've talked to them a lot about this, and one particular guy put $40,000 in a span of about 3 months into the stock market, because the way he's thinking of it, a lot of the stocks right now, they're on sale. These large corporations that he knows or he believes will bounce back, their stock's going for half the price than it was, a couple of weeks and a couple months before that. And he's starting to invest in them because he knows that when we come out of these economic times, whether it takes 3 years or 7 years or 10 years, he's going to get so much more of a greater return on his investment because he's investing now. Same thing with real estate. I know a lot of people are skeptical about the housing market nowadays, but again, however, a lot of the people that I work with, they're making strong six-figure incomes. They can afford to take a $50,000 or $100,000 that they have stashed away and put a down payment on a house at this point, or a real estate investment, or a property they're going to rent out, those kind of things. And when you start to have a business owner or an entrepreneurial mentality, you're not worried about what the stock market does. You're not worried about what your real estate costs are, because you know that you're going to be able to bounce back, and you understand that there's trends in the industry, and that this is a very good time to get moving on something. And if you're kind of wondering what I'm talking about, what I highly recommend doing is checking out revolutionprofits.com. It's one of my personal training sites. I do training for people in the home-based business industry. I have a totally free 10-day training that's available on that website, videos, the whole shebang, and I go over a lot of the stuff of what it takes to make money online. And it's completely free. There's no obligation kind of thing. But what you need to do after you learn everything is you need to apply it. And that's where a lot of people kind of fall short, is you have so much information in your mind, but you're too afraid to use it, or